Hi Bessie, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shuga. Now I have gotten a few questions, okay, from under some of the videos on this channel, and I have also gotten DMs, okay, via my Instagram asking me how they can remove facial hairs from their face, and that is exactly what I have come here to do justice to. So please make sure to click on the thanks and the join button to be an exclusive member of this channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so that you will get notified whenever videos like this come up on this channel. Most importantly, please leave your comments in the comment section below, like this video, share out these videos, and without much further ado, my love, let's head straight into that video. Now, first of all, I think one of the most commonest ways, okay, that a lot of people, including myself, remove facial hairs from the comfort of our homes is the use of shaving sticks and shaving creams. If you're for the men, okay, I don't know if there are women who use shaving creams to remove facial hairs. In skincare, it is also called dermaplaning, where they have a special blade that you use to remove, small facial hairs on your body after applying, some oils to keep your pores greased so that they don't get irritated from the blade that will be used to remove it. And in some cases, people always advise that it is safer for you to actually do or have your derma planning done by a professional. Okay, so visiting a spa or wherever else that is a professional setting to actually get it done as against doing it in the house. Even if there are a lot of people as well that I have seen who actually do their derma planning by themselves in their houses. If you do that by yourself, please let me know in the comment section below. We grew up saying our fathers use them, and then we grew up as adults, whether male or females, to start using them. Men pair this with shaving cream in order to have a cleaner and a smoother shave. Even if a lot of people have said that it is not actually very safe to use that. But honestly, my love, even as a woman, is what I've been doing. And now here are some of the advantages I have seen or derived from using shaving stick on my face. It is that it helps me to be able to take care of my facial hairs weekly or every 2 weeks if I want. I noticed that it reduced the amount of breakouts I had, and it made my product more effective. So anytime I'm breaking out, sometimes just shaving alone, okay, reduces the amount of breakouts, reduces the inflammation down to some few percentages. And then when I now go in with the skincare product, right skincare products, of course, that I'm supposed to use, it just takes it to another level. Now there's one downside, okay, that I noticed to using this shaving stick, okay, not just on the face, but even on like my legs, especially my legs. I discovered that it is one of the major reasons why so many of us, you or me, have been having strawberry legs. You know that thing that looks like you have white patches or there are pokes on your legs. I'm going to try to leave a picture here or here for you to see what I'm talking about. They are also called chicken legs, right? I discovered that it is because of the shaving. Okay, now I don't know if it's peculiar to me, but initially when I want to shave, the next thing I do is to open the blade of my shaving stick and just shave, bam, bam, bam. When I'm done, I will use normal water or warm water to just soothe the skin. But I began to notice that I was experiencing a lot of itchiness whenever I use this method. Sometimes I would get little bumps, okay, that look like pimples, not just on my face but on my skin, which is as a result of, reaction, right? Irritation to the blades. Even when I change brands, it was still happening. And I also noticed that I would feel some certain kind of pain, okay, like after shaving, and then I go in with my roll on or my body cream. If the cream is perfumed, I begin to experience itchiness, like that minty feeling, like when you apply something on a wound, right? I feel that kind of sensation or pain, and I have to like enjoy it for a few minutes and all of that. Sometimes for a whole day, okay, especially on my armpits, I became uncomfortable. So anytime I finish shaving, I don't use deodorant. And then I also began to notice that my skin on the leg, okay, was beginning to have a lot of strawberry feet. And I got worried. Yeah, I got really worried. I was looking for solutions until I stumbled, okay, on the solution. And as soon as I used the solution, it worked out fine. Like everything changed. I can't remember the last time I felt itchy or had any of those reactions after shaving from my face down to my legs. Okay, you guys. And that is that anytime you're shaving with your face, you need an oil or you need water. The most important thing is to get your skin wet. So wet your face, wet your hands, wet your armpits, wet anywhere it is that you want to shave, and shave according to the direction of your hair. If you notice that the hair on your face or any other part of your body grows like this, then you want to shave like this. If your hair growth grows like this, okay, then it means that you have to shave like this to help avoid irritation on your skin. And now, of course, to the cocoa, okay, of the main thing that I have for you in this video, a device that you can actually use to remove hair permanently. Is it possible? Yes. I know that there are laser treatments, I think, that you can go to get, from your dermatologist, or, from the spa, or wherever else is the professional settings where they get these things done. I know that there are other procedures that require using, those machines, and you have to go out of your way, and they are usually pricey, okay, especially if you want it to be done permanently or semi-permanently, right? But there is something that you can actually use from the comfort of your house, and it's going to work. It's going to do the job for you. It is going to take care of those special hairs, not just even on your face, in your armpits, on your hands, your legs, your arms, wherever else you shave, even around, your pelvic area. This device does the magic for you. And I'm talking about the IPL laser hair removal device from the Meukpe brand. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description area, of course, where you can actually get this device. They ship to anywhere in the world, okay? Whether Nigeria, whether US, whether Canada, wherever it is, you can go on ahead to get yours. But before we go right into, okay, making that decision of actually going to spend your money on this device, what exactly is this device and what does it do? This device, the IPL laser hair removal device, is a device that was produced for men and for women to help remove hairs from the face, from the legs, from the arms, from the butts, from every part of your body where you have unwanted hairs, okay, where you do not want to see hairs, okay. This product is going to help to clear all of it semi-permanently, and with long-term use will also clear it permanently. And when I say long-term use, I mean between 2 to 3 months. Consistent use of this device for 2 to 3 months is going to clear the hairs on your face and other parts of your body permanently. Now, this device is a small portable device that only emits its flash, okay, when it is time for you to apply it. This device comes in two modes, the manual and the automatic mode. The manual mode is the mode that allows you to remove, small hairs, like the hairs on your lips, like when I say your lips, I mean, around this area, around your chin, which is your face. If you have, hair around your bikini area or your pelvic area, you can use this device to remove all of that, even the hairs on your armpit. And now the automatic mode is best suited for when you want to remove hairs like on your hand, on your legs, because typically the hairs on those parts of the body are going to be a bit thicker and a bit stronger, right, than the one on these other sensitive areas of your body. So you're looking to remove hair behind your back, around your abdomen, your legs, your hands, then you use this product in its automatic mode. One thing I really, really love about this product that I want to point out is that it is very portable and convenient to carry around. It comes with a 36-month warranty and a 90 days refund policy, meaning after 90 days, if it's not working, if you've tried it and it's not removing any hair, talk more of removing the hair permanently, then you can return it and you get a refund on your money. And you guys, are you even thinking what I'm thinking? This product is a very great gift idea for your loved ones, your parents, your man, your woman, your best friend, even somebody that is not your best friend. If you see somebody you think they have too much hair on their body, give it to them. Gift it to them. This is a very wonderful gift idea that can even be used as souvenirs. Okay, people are going to love, love, love this if they get this as a souvenir in their gift pack for any occasion whatsoever. And now there are kinds of people who should not use this product, or situations in which you should not use this hair removal device. And first is if you have tattoo on your skin. Yes, if you have tattoo on your skin, especially on that part of your body where you need to remove facial hairs, please do not take this device anywhere near that part of your body. If you have been experiencing sunburn, you might want to take care of the sunburn and make sure that you're properly healed before you apply this laser hair removal to your body or to your skin. I mean, remember that your skin is already sensitive, and typically that light that the device emits is also going to naturally make your skin sensitive, especially at that initial moment when you're using the product. So using it on an already very sensitive skin might be causing harm to your skin, and we do not want any of that. Another people who should not be using this product are people who have skin diseases. I mean, if it is bad for someone, then you know that if you have a skin disease that needs to be taken care of, then please, my loves, you do not have any business using this product. Stick with using your shaving sticks, with shaving creams at home, or best bet, go and seek the help of a medical professional. And also, pregnant women, Biko, both for the sake of the pregnant woman and her baby. I mean, remember that you can use this device on your pelvic area, your abdomen, and the rest of them. So it is definitely not safe for pregnant woman. Please, if a woman is pregnant, keep it away from her because when she has put to birth and her body has healed, she can now begin to use the IPL laser hair removal device on her body. Okay, now a lot of people have testified, a lot of customers. I'm going to try to see if I can get their testimonials as well to leave on the screen for you to see. A lot of people have said that they actually began to see results after using this product about 4 times. They began to notice that there was a significant reduction of hair growth in those areas where they don't want the hairs to be. And they experienced permanent removal after using it for about 12 times. And now for the processes, the first thing you want to do, like I've already always said, is to wet that area where you want to, you want to shave or remove this hair from. You can use just normal warm water, okay, normal warm, tepid or lukewarm water to just wet the face and other parts of the body where you need to remove these unwanted hairs from. You can use your oil. If you have coconut oil, it's a good carrier oil, or even your Vaseline. Okay, the idea is just to make sure that that area is wet, like we said, to reduce friction on your skin. Now, after wetting it, you need your shaving stick. Yes, get a shaving stick and remove those hairs that you can see. Take your time, shave. When you're done shaving, you can now go in with your IPL hair removal device. Okay, put it on, take it close to that place, and let it stay there. Not You're not going to like press it against the skin. Just keep it close to the skin enough for the laser light that is being emitted from the device to stay on that area where you want to remove the hair for a few minutes. Do that, okay, off and on intermittently for a while, and then you go about your way. By the time you do this 3 to 4 times, like we said, you will notice that your hair does not grow as often as much. If you used to have regrowth of hair on those areas of your body, let's say every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, you notice that you would stay for a month or 2 months without even seeing any hair growth on that part of your body. And with continuous use, like I've said repeatedly already, using this product up to 10 to 12 times, you will notice that hairs will not even come near you anymore. And you can even now give the product away as a gift item to someone else. Yeah. And that, of course, brings me to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. Are there other methods of removing facial hairs and hairs from other parts of our bodies that you know about, okay, that I didn't mention here in this video? Please let me know in the comment section below. Let's have a conversation. Let us interact. Don't forget to share out this video, like this video, subscribe if you have not done that already. Click on the thanks and the join button to be an exclusive member of this channel. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, catch up on my other videos, and of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.